In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a conversation on Slack. Slack is an essential tool for workplace communication, and sometimes conversations can become noisy or irrelevant to your work, making it important to manage your notifications effectively. Leaving a conversation in Slack can help minimize distractions and ensure you're only focusing on the discussions that matter to you. Let's walk through how you can do this efficiently. First, you'll want to open Slack on your desktop or mobile device. For our demonstration, we'll focus on desktop, but don't worry, these steps are quite similar on mobile. Once you're in Slack, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll see your list of channels and conversations. Here, you'll want to select the conversation or channel from which you wish to remove yourself. Click on it to open the conversation thread in the main window. Now that the conversation is open, direct your attention to the top right section where you'll find various options. Look for the settings icon, often represented by a gear or three-dot menu, and click on it. This will present a drop-down menu with various settings and options. In that menu, there will be an option that says Leave Channel or Leave Conversation. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation message, asking if you're sure you want to leave the conversation. It's important to note here that leaving a conversation means you won't receive any new messages from it, but the conversation will still be available if you decide to rejoin later. You'll still be able to access any previous messages you were a part of while you were in the conversation. So, once you've decided, go ahead and confirm that you want to leave. For those using Slack on a mobile device, the process is nearly identical. After opening the conversation, find the same settings icon, which might appear as three vertical dots on Android or a gear icon on iOS devices. Tap that icon, and you should see the Leave option in the menu. Tap to confirm, and just like that, you're free from unnecessary notifications from that chat. It's also worth mentioning that if you're leaving a conversation because it's particularly active at certain times, consider adjusting your notification settings instead. Slack offers a mute option that will suppress notifications without leaving the channel, which can be handy if you still want to keep tabs but not be constantly notified. Being mindful of which conversations you stay connected to will greatly improve your ability to focus and manage your workflow efficiently. If at any point you reconsider, remember, you can always search for the conversation and rejoin it in just a few clicks. And that's it. Now you know how to leave a conversation on Slack. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial useful for managing your Slack environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides like this one.